All right, this looks good. Let's shut it down, guys. Good work today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll try again tomorrow. Get all set up. See you. Man, I'm excited. Kick-Ass 24, here we go.
Welcome to Colorado 47.
Diana?
Jacob Rivera of the 72-hour Kick-Ass Film Fest has been kidnapped. We've been brought in to bring him back to allow the fest to continue.
Sounds like someone wants to kill off this film festival.
Indeed.
Who would be so invested in this?
Our analyst team has pinpointed Fernando Delgado Jr.
The name sounds familiar.
Delgado is the son of Fernando Salvador Delgado, the former leader of the Delgado drug cartel, whom you dealt with back in '04.
Looks like the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. What would he want with a film festival?
He is known for his ruthless ways, a man who always seems to get what he wants. As to his interest in Kick-Ass, that's what you're here for. Save Jacob Rivera, stop Delgado. Be careful out there, 47.
Well, if it isn't the infamous Jacob Rivera. I have been waiting for this.
Who are you?
See, that is a problem. You never paid attention to my work. I should have won all 3 years in a row.
You participated in the film festival?
Jacob, I really need you to pay attention here.
Maybe your team just sucked. You ever consider that? Maybe your films just suck? No?
Jacob. I am the team! No matter though, there won't be much competition in 2024.
What'd you do with Chavez?
Oh, now you want to pay attention. Don't worry about him. We only need one of you alive to finish the festival.
What did you do?
This year, it all goes to me. You really didn't think I'd risk losing the festival again just by taking you out? No. I'm a man with a plan. You're the last one on my list. Everyone else has been, taken care of.
You're out of your mind.
You would know. You made me this way. This will look great with my name on it.
Where'd you get that?
I paid a little visit to your white piece of bread.
A piece of bread, right? That's what Chavez calls Ryan.
That is only the beginning.
Dude, you're crazy. Chavez is never gonna let you get away with this.
Fuck Chavez! This festival will be all about me. Who's there?
It's done.
My man. He gives me good news. See, Mr. Rivera? That is only the beginning.
What the hell?
Andamiro. Hello? Wish you were around to see me as your winner.
Fernando Delgado, I take it?
Who the hell are you?
Close friend of Jacob Rivera sent me to pay you a visit. Apparently, you've been causing some problems for this film festival.
How much? How much?
Chavez says you're welcome.
I love that Queen Eater. You don't deserve this.
Excellent work, 47.
It's good to be back.
A new job has come in. Have you heard of the name Eric Thompson?